All right, hi guys, Jethlin 2020, Guardian Armory here. This is Rick. We're gonna show you a little video on a repair for a Luger grip. I noticed that possibly from tightening the screw down too much for the previous owner. I just received this. It developed a small crack. Luckily, it hasn't come through the front of the grip, but I did notice it on the back hairline, about to go through. Crack right in there. You can see, use the tooth right there. So I filled it with glue already, but I figured after I did it, I kind of want to show you guys the steps because I was looking online, didn't see too much. So basically what I did so far was I took some alcohol and cleaned off the area with a Q-tip. Got down on the crack a little bit, squeezed some alcohol in there, then I dried it out. I used a hair dryer or a heat gun. Gently, not too hard on there, dried it out, let all the alcohol dry. Then took good old wood glue. You could use Elmer's yellow wood glue or Gorilla wood glue. I think this is better than the regular Gorilla glue. I wouldn't use that because that stuff expands way too much. You'll end up making the crack worse. So what I did is take a little bit on the tip of a toothpick, and then I slightly, just ever so slightly, opened the crack just by, these grips are curved. So I just put them on a soft surface, just gently push down, a little pressure on either side, very, very little. And then you fill the crack with the glue, go up and down, back and forth, make sure it gets good and worked in there. Once it is in there, I was gonna use a regular clamp, but I figured that'd be too much pressure. So just use some smaller size rubber bands. That'll give you enough pressure, because these are very delicate and thin. So you want to go nice and easy. Make sure you don't bend the grips as you put the rubber bands on. Keep pressure applied straight down onto the crack so the crack closes, even when you're, because you may have to do 2 turns, and be very careful here. Get it around. Just use a few rubber bands like that to create some tension to close up that gap. You'll see some bleed out on the glue. That's fine. This stuff's water soluble, so you should be able to just clean it up later. Put a few rubber bands on there. Just like so. Do another one. We need a little more tension on there. I can get 3 twists out of this one. There you go. And as you see more bleed out, you know you have enough pressure. Where the crack is completely closed. That should about do it like that. Once it's dried, I'd dry it for keep it overnight, 24 hours or so. It probably cures much sooner than that, but let's see. Yeah, joint and clamp for 20 to 30 minutes. Allow bond to dry for 24 hours. So I would just leave it for 24 hours, then remove the rubber bands so you're sure you got a good seal there and that crack's not going to expand any further. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tip. Please like. It's been a while since I posted, I know. I'm going to try and get more active on the channel again. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Take care now. Have a good night.